Welcome back, everyone. We got this NOEVSBIG, I believe that's how it's pronounced, helping hand soldering station. I've used soldering stations a lot with the little arms and everything, but this one is supposed to be a deluxe one. The box is extremely heavy. So we're gonna open it up and see exactly what's in here. It's not much on the outside packaging at all. All right, inside we got the instruction manual, and that's how it looks set up. So this is supposed to be a magnet type device. You don't need really anything to put it together. That's everything that you get. So we're gonna lay it out and see how it looks. Okay, I got everything laid out. It was really hard to get it all in frame because you get a lot with this. Everything comes in this package. You get a charger, a light, a whole bunch of attachments. It's all magnetic, a little mini vise, a little clamp. It's got a very heavy magnetic lower base. It's got pads for the bottom of it, a swing arm. So you can basically set this entire thing up any way you want it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it up exactly how it looks in the picture here on the instruction manual. And there it is. We're gonna set it up exactly like that and show you guys how it looks. We got the helping hand soldering station assembled and a little JST jumper in there that we need to solder. This thing is absolutely amazing. The quality, everything's metal, it feels good, strong, durable. The magnifier in there works amazing. Right now we just got it attached to a little battery pack, but we'll show you. You can cycle through different light colors. That's more of a yellowish light. That's that light, sunlight, natural light, and then the blue cold light. And then you can raise and lower the LEDs. It just really feels quality, like a quality unit here. Down there is a control. PCB board holder, mini vise, articulating arms. Just really solid feeling soldering station. We got some things to solder. We'll go down and test it out and see how it holds up. We got the station set up here. As you can see, we're holding the solder with a little arm there. We've got everything zoomed in. We're gonna try and solder this and show you guys. See if we can get a good view there. All right, perfect. We're gonna let the soldering iron heat up and we'll come back. We're gonna attempt to solder this and see how it works. All right, as you see there, not a bad solder. Everything came out good. We'll move the magnifier and see how it looks. So the helping hands did a fine job of holding the wires and everything together, freeing up my hands so I can solder these. This is not a critical solder. It goes in a little tiny electric device, but nonetheless, we made the jumper and it looks good. Okay, overall, this helping hand soldering station is perfect. You can move everything around into any location you want. It frees up your hands and it looks really good. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.